Let's check if we have the key for the external fuel tank. Did you just lock it or?
Unlock.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. That's clever. So we can actually. Oh. Okay. Now its value decreased by $28 or something. Hold on. Is this rust or is this artificial? Is there a gas inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Open.
Where?
Let's see. Ooh. What is that?
Whiskey?
No, definitely. I mean, try it. See if that's whiskey.
Don't know what whiskey tastes like.
Well, I mean, no, don't. Hold on. I mean, it's definitely gasoline, but oh my God, this thing is so rusted out. Where's my flashlight? Hold on, let me see. Let me use my phone.
Don't drop it.
Hold on. No, don't drop it. Let's see if this can penetrate inside. No, it's all, I don't think we're gonna be able to use it. Well, maybe you can restore it. We need to buy some sort of a liquid that can eliminate rust, and then...
You're gonna need more than that.
That's not good. I've done some research yesterday regarding this rusted out auxiliary fuel tank, and this morning I purchased this Evaporust super safe rust remover. We'll see. It's not cheap, $27 for a gallon, and they say to actually fill it up completely. I'm kind of testing it out, so I just put in, I don't know, a quarter, and I'm rotating this tank, and we'll see what happens. If I see good results, I'm just gonna fill it up completely and do one more session. Originally I thought, what's the point of going and trying to remove that rust and going to all that trouble. And then I checked the prices for these on eBay, asking $350 for this external tank. That's ridiculous. Let's see how this Evaporust liquid performed.
Rust. I still see a lot of rust.
Yeah, no, I don't think it will remove everything in one shot. We have to repeat it probably a few times.
Okay. It's not even like to where the water is. So.
Let's see. Can you put the container inside? Because I'm sure I'm gonna spill some. So let's see what we have.
piss.
Whoa, it's not even, I was expecting that to be some
Brown.
sort of a like brownish. So I have been trying to clean this auxiliary fuel tank using these Evapo-Rust sophisticated compound, and I don't think it actually worked. I have this light. Let's see. Yeah, there's still plenty of rust, and it's been sitting in that soaking in the liquid for about 4 hours. Now I discovered another option. Basically, you put some old bolts and nuts, screws inside, just to scrape off the rust from the sides of the tank. We'll see if that works, and then I will put some vinegar in addition to the Evapo-Rust. See if we can bring this back to life. Let's check the main tank. This little battery operated light is very handy. What's good is that the main fuel tank looks much better. I might just use some vinegar to get rid of those rusty spots, but other than that, I think it's in a pretty good shape. A quick check on the external fuel tank. I don't think anything has changed since the last time. Looks like vinegar is not effective at all in extreme cases like this. Let's see. Looks like a soup inside, but the walls, well, actually, honestly, maybe there's a little bit of, it looks a little bit better, but still plenty dirty. So I've used this Evapo-Rust. That did not help. Last resort, uric acid. That's supposed to take care of the rust, but I have to approach it very carefully because that acid can etch the sides and actually destroy the whole tank. Okay, a quick test of what the acid action has accomplished. It's definitely moving in the right direction. It's just there's still, this side has been pretty much cleaned up. I have extracted some rocks that I'm just gonna use as a scraping compound or scraping medium to oops, just touch that acid and it actually burns. Wow. There we go. Just use the whoa, I have initiated some strange reaction. Whoa. Uh-oh. No, we are progressing, that's for sure. definitely the acid is reacting with the calcium, I'm assuming, in those rocks.